Get it. Get it.
Take it.
Get it. You done lost it.
Oh, it's
Ivana,
okay.
it's green. Here it is. Here, Ivana, right here. Ivana. There it is.
Come on, girl. Take it.
Alright.
Take it. Get it.
Alright, that's
Come on.
fine.
I'm gonna keep recording. Get it. Get that snake.
So watch the movie. We gotta get ready for American Idol.
Come on, Ivana, get it. Come on, take it. Get it. Take it. Come on, girl. Get it. Take it. No, it's right there. Good girl. Oh gosh. Good thing it's dead. It almost hit my foot. Come on, get it. Take it. Come here, girl. Good girl.
Alright, she's done. Come on.
Hold up.
Come on, Kylie.
Hold up. There it is. Move, Ivana.
Pick it up and wrap it around her.
No.
Stay it,
I don't want to pick up no steak.
Stay it. Pick it up and wrap it around
So.
her stuff. Take the girl's fit.
Alright. Here, I'll use a twig. Where's the twig that Dad used? Come on. Oh, she bit the stick trying to get it. Where's the twig that Dad used? I'm gonna go get the broom.
Come on. Go on, come on.
No. No, I'm gonna pick it up.
Kylie, we got to go in and watch the show. I gotta take a bath and wash your hair. I gotta take a bath and wash my hair. American Idol will be on.
Come on. Get it. Come on, get it. Come on, let's get it. Get it. Alright. Hold up. Come on.
You remember that snake? Remember when the snake was really little? And you got him on the There you go. See, Kylie, the snake is dead. It's like a dead fish point right now. It ain't moving to get it.
She just grabbed it.
She knows how to kill them. Look at that instinct for Jack Russell to kill snakes. Grab a broom. She's gonna be that's good. That right there is good. That she's gonna be a snake killer. It's teaching her.
Yeah.
That's a good girl. Kill the snake. Kill the snake. Good girl. All right, Kylie. Broom, let's go.
Alright.